Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Kumukuha sa vitamins niya, guys. Hello, good morning, everyone! Ang lulutuin ko today for lunch is crispy pata. And this crispy pata is to be shared with you. Here I am, and I am going to show you how I cook. But anyway, hala, my God, ano yung nahulog dun? May nahulog dun. Anyway, I have already here, but you know, while this is already here prepared, I decided to share it with you. That's why I grabbed my camera and it's here. So I placed the 2 liters of water, and then 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of peppercorns, and 8 cloves of garlic, and 4 leaves of laurel, bay leaves. Okay, so clear. Now that is a pressure cooker that I will wait to boil, and then this is the main bit of this crispy pata dish. Here you are. These are front legs of pork, and this is 155 per kilo, and this weighs 2.164 kilos. These 2 pieces of the pata I will be cleaning, and when the water will boil, I will place that 2 pork legs and then wait to be tender, and then I will just show you later.
A few moments
later. It's already boiling, so I will place the 2 pork legs, and then cover. Asan ang cover? Cover, and then wait. I-lock ang pressure cooker. This is the lock of this pressure cooker, guys. You just pull, and then when you loosen, you open, you push up. So I will just wait maybe 45 minutes before opening. Okay, so we have to open. I will have to push this up and then switch off the flame, then let it evaporate, then till the pressure will be finished. So now I will open slowly and careful, and now it's here. Wow, let us see. Wow, it's already done. So I have to remove from here, and then let it rest, then let it cool down for me to fry. And then when it is cold, I will put in the fridge for about 15 minutes before frying in a... I will boil the oil into 100 degrees centigrade, then drop that 2 legs of pork, and then I will fry. Yeah. Let us remove this from here. Wow, grabe naman tong legs na ito. Grabe, ang laki. The other one. Oy, ang bango ng kanyang kanyang sabaw. Okay. And then I will let it cool down, and then place in the fridge for at least 15 to 30 minutes for me to fry later. Okay. See you guys. So now that is cold. Okay. Now that is cold, I will put in the plastic in order for me to place in the refrigerator for it to be cold. Okay. I am doing this just for the reason that I want this crispy pata to be crispy. That's why I will be placing in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Okay? This is my side dish for the crispy pata. okra, half kilo of okra. So, first of all, in a pot, place 2 liters of water, and then 2 tablespoons of salt. Then boil. Boil here. Boiling na. Not yet. Obviously. Now, ang okra ilagay. Oh. Okay. Ganyan lang. Huwag nang takpan. Don't cover it. Just wait for this to be cooked. Okay. Wait for about 5 minutes and it's done. Already done. 5 minutes. So, switch off. And prepare a bowl with cold water. If possible, put ice cubes. Then place this there. See? Like that. So that the green color of this will remain. Like that. You know, we want foods to be colorful and dainty. Isn't it? Ang sarap niyan. Okay, very healthy okra. This is a healthy okra paired with crispy pata. This lunch is so yummy and healthy. Okay? Okay na guys. Now, let's proceed to the pata. Okay guys, let's proceed to the pata now. It's time for us to harvest our pata. Wow, cold na siya. Like that. Here's the crispy pata and cooking oil is already boiling, and now we are placing this. Maglagay muna ako ng mittens kasi baka mamaya mapasok tayo, mahirap na. Okay, lights, camera, action. Ayan. Ayan lang. Oh my God, hindi kasya. Kasya yan. Oh, kasya. Wow. Tumulo na siya guys. Wow, ang sarap ng crispy pata. Mamaya, magkikita nyo. Crispy siya. Oh, saya niya, ano? Ang saya, tumatawa siya. Hello guys, kamo nga pata. Okay? Sige, kain tayo mamaya. Oh, time to... Oh my God. Kakatakot ha. This is the part that is very... Oh! Ayan, very nice. Yes. Now, it's time to harvest again. Wow! Yoo-hoo! Wow! Ang crispy pata, lumabas ang buto. Oh! La! Okay. Let us see the other part. Wow! Yoo-hoo! Okay. See that? Ang ganda niyan. Sarap yan. Now we are making our salad. Okay. This must be the salad. Here. Let us place in a tray. These are the cooked okra that we prepared. Here. Then we are preparing this ripe tomatoes for that salad. A very simple salad. Okay. Like that. sauce. Ako, pumuputok po yung ano, crispy pata. Yes. And then this one is the sesame oil. Sesame oil, a little of sesame oil. And then the yan. And then this one. This one. Okay, done. Salad, yes, it's done. Okay, in few minutes, salad and the pork feet na fried pata, crispy pata, and the okra. And the name of this lunch is healthy okra paired with crispy pata. Mula na. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Ang ganda. Sarap. Wow. See this? Oh, what a beauty. Baliktad. Oh, la crispy pata. Oh. Okay, done. Let's eat. Now it's time to eat. Okay guys, it's already done and it's here. And as you can see it is very crispy guys. Oh, you hear that? And it's here. Oh, you hear that? And you see me? Oh, you can hear the crunchiness, the crispiness. Sarap. Yum, 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 yum. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Okay. Thank you, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoy watching this cooking. Happy cooking. I love you, guys.